how to fit your Makita set back into the box. So let's move the two drills to the side and the battery. Let's get the box down, open up these like this. Now the first thing, if you've still got the instructions, move them away, and every Makita box should indicate what goes where with these little symbols, as you can see. So this is the battery compartment. Now I always leave the wire out to last. Then here goes the impact driver. Now we have to drill, put the battery on, drill goes there, and fit the plug down there and the wire above it. Close the lid, close the clips, and there you go. That's how easy it is to put away your Makita cordless drill into the box, as you can see. So hopefully that helps you out how to fit the Makita cordless drills into the box.